Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today we are starting with the question number 6 of exercise 8C. Question number 6 is 5 whole 1 upon 4 meter cube of copper sheet with 1563. Okay, 5 whole 1 upon 4 meter cube is the copper, right, and weight is 1563. Next, what will be the weight of 3 whole 1 upon 2 meter cube of sheet? Now again they have given copper sheet 3 whole 1 upon 2 meter cube and they are asking this weight. So first of all, from this copper sheet you will find the weight of 1 meter cube copper sheet, and then from 1 meter cube copper sheet you will find the weight of 3 whole 1 upon 2 meter cube, right? So let's start how we will solve this question. Weight of 5 whole 1 upon 4 meter cube of copper sheet they have given 1563 kilogram, right? So we are finding for 1. So what do? We will divide this part, इस part को divide कर देंगे by this to find the weight of 1 meter cube copper sheet. So divide it 1563. This is already in fraction, so I will not write in denominator. I will put division sign here and will write it here. 5 whole 1 upon 4. Right, 5 whole 1 upon 4 is the mixed fraction, so you can write it as the improper. 1563 kilogram. This is 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4, right? And in fractions you have studied, when you divide by the fraction you write the first number same, put the multiplication sign and then write the reciprocal of the next term, this. Okay, so its reciprocal will be 4 upon 21. Now solve this part. Solve करते हैं. 3 3 both are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. When you will solve it you will get 2084 upon 7. Okay, this is in kilograms. Now they are asking the weight of 3 whole 1 upon 2 meter cube of copper sheet. So this is the weight of 1 meter cube and they are asking the weight of 3 whole 1 upon 2 meter cube. So you will multiply them, multiply this 2084 upon 7 kilogram by 3 whole 1 upon 2. Now simply solve it. This is 2084 upon 7 kilogram. Change this mixed fraction into the improper. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. 7 to 7 cancel out. This 2 and this both are divisible by 2, so cut it. 2 1s are 2, 0 as it is. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So what you are getting? You are getting 1042 kilogram. This is the weight of 3 whole 1 upon 2 meter cube copper sheet. So this is your answer. Next question number 7 is Harsh take 150 steps. Steps are 150 in walking a distance of 125 meter. Distance is 125 meters. In A part, what distance would he cover in 360 steps? Below the steps, write 360 because they have given steps. Now first of all, from 150 steps you will find for 1 step, and then from 1 step you will find for 360 steps. So right here, distance covered in 150 steps is 125 meters. To find the distance covered in 1 step, you will divide the distance 125 meter by this 150. Okay, so right here 150. This is the distance covered in 1 step, but they are asking the distance covered in 360 steps. So multiply the distance covered in one step, 125 upon 150 meters, by the number of steps, 360. Now simply solve it. 0 to 0 cancel out. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. What you are getting? 12 multiply 25 meters. So distance covered in 360 steps is 300 meters. Right? This is your answer. Next part, B part. Similarly, 150 steps and distance covered in 150 steps, 125 meters. Now B part, how many steps would be needed to cover a distance of 120 meter? Now they have given distance 120 meter. First of all, from 125 meters, find the steps needed to cover 1 meter. Then from 1 meter, find the steps needed to cover 120 meters. Okay. So steps needed to cover 125 meter. They have given 150 steps. For one step, divide this by this, 150 upon 125. Now they are asking steps needed to cover 120 meter distance. This is for 1 meter distance. 1 का given है, 1 we have calculated. Now to find for 120, multiply this by 120. Calculate it. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 0, again by 5, 5 6 are 30. So this is 6 multiply 24. When you will multiply them, you will get 144. So 144 steps are needed to cover the distance 120 meter. This is your answer. Next question, question number 8. 15 chairs can be bought. Chairs and the cost. Okay. 15 chairs can be bought for rupees. Amount they have given 3532.50. How many chairs can be bought for rupees? Rupees given hai again 5416.50. So from this, first of all, find the chair can be purchased in 1 rupee. Then from 1 rupee, find the chairs can be purchased in 5416.50 rupee. Okay. So write here number of chairs bought for rupees this. इतने में कितनी चेयर्स परचेज हो रही हैं? 15. 1 रुपी का फाइंड आउट करेंगे. नंबर ऑफ चेयर्स बॉट फॉर 1 रुपी. Divide this 15 by this. Okay. So write 15 upon 3532.50. Now this is the chair purchased in 1 rupee, but they are asking for amount 5416. So multiply it by this 3532.50 multiply 5416.50. Now calculate it. Decimal to decimal can be cancelled out. 0 to 0 can be removed. Now by 5 से कट करते हैं. 5 7s are 35. Okay. 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are 25. Now by this 5 1s are 5. ना जाने की 0. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Now by 3 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Again by 3 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Again by 5 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5. Now by 3 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. Now you have 3611 upon 157. Okay, you can divide it 3611 by 100 divided by 157. 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10 plus 1 11, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. Subtract them. 11 minus 4 7, 5 minus 1 4. Copy down the next digit 1. Now by 3, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15, 16 17, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. So what you are getting? 23. So your answer is 23, right? 23 chairs can be purchased in rupees 5416.50. This is your answer. Next question number 9. 45 packets of butter, each weight itna cost rupees this. Okay, what will be the cost of 18 packets of butter, each weight this? Students, now they have given 3 terms here. Okay, so first of all we will find the weight in 45 packet and 18 packets. Okay, so weight of 1 packet of butter, they have given a each weight, so this is 100 gram. From this we can find the weight of 45 packets. 45 packets से multiply कर देते हैं. This is 4500 gram. Okay, now weight of each packet, in second statement they have given the weight of each packet 500 gram. Okay, and number of packets are 18, so weight of 18 packets will be 18 multiply 500 gram. Okay, from both the statements we have found the weight of the butter. Clear? So this is 18 fives are 90, then we have 2 zeros, right? So this gram butter and this gram butter, in first statement they said 4500 gram butter का cost given है 607.50. This is the cost, and they are asking the cost of 9000 gram butter. Okay, so first of all from 4500, it means 4500 butter, find the cost of 1 gram butter. Then from 1 gram butter find the cost of 9000 gram butter, right? So let's do it. Cost of 4500 gram butter is, they have given in the question 607.50. For the cost of 1 gram butter, divide this 607.50. So divide it by 4500, right? This is the cost of 1 gram butter. Now from the 1 gram butter you can find the cost of 9000 gram butter by multiplication. So write this whole, इस पूरे को लिखते हैं यहाँ पर 607.50 divided by 4500 and multiplied by 9000. Zeros to zeros cancel out. 9 tens are 90, 9 5s are 45, right? 5 2s are 10. So multiply rupees 607.50 by 2. So what do you get? You get 1215.00, right? And you can also write it as rupees 1250, because after decimal you just have 0, so it doesn't have any value, right? So this is the cost of 9000 butter, or you can say 18 packet of butter, each weighing 500 gram. So this is your answer. So students, with this question your exercise 8C is completed and this chapter 8 is also completed. In next class we will start the next chapter. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.